All right, Quaves, I'll be right back. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It has been about a week and a half since my last upload. It was the license plate upload. The reason why is because remember that killer chiller system that I've been telling you guys about, the cooling modification that I've been trying to do to the Shelby? Well, it took about 2 weeks to actually receive the killer chiller system to my house. And then when I did receive it, I tried to install it myself here in the garage. And as soon as I removed my bumper and exposed everything, I totally did not want to install it anymore because it didn't even come with any instructions or anything. I totally completely failed at installing it myself. So I went to Bumbera's Performance where I got my exhaust installed. And I dropped the car off there and the killer chiller system is now installed. And we're gonna go pick up my car right now with the system installed and just check it out. I'm really excited. I'm waiting on my homie Alex to pull up and we'll get the car and drive it back home. Got my boy Alex. Follow him on Instagram. Come on, bro. How you about to not unlock it? What's going on, bro? Let's go pick up my fucking car, bro. Woo!
So they got it.
They got it.
Smooth.
It's done.
Smooth.
It's mounted. Fabian just sent me a picture of the thing mounted.
So can you see how they ended up doing it?
I'm gonna show you right now. You can barely see it right there, but it's tucked in there, bro.
Damn, that's pretty good. Cause
It's tucked in there. We literally did not know how to mount it. Alex was there when we attempted the install.
I was doing all the work.
No, you weren't. And we completely failed. Like literally right before we started everything. Like I took off the bumper. And once everything was exposed, and I was just like, you know what? Let me not mess up my car, and let me hit up my guy Boyd, and let me just have them install it. And now the car's done, and we're gonna go pick it up. So yeah, my lip is not on the car because I took my bumper off, and I had to remove both of my lips. So the car might look a little weird. My lip is at home. I'm gonna put it on when I get the car back, probably tomorrow. Well guys, here we are, Bumbera's Performance. Dang, there she is. Oh, I'm so excited. Quick summary of the killer chiller. Pretty much, perfect. Pretty much, you can turn off your car.
Oh, bad, G.
Pretty much, it uses my AC to cool my intercooler fluid. It keeps my IAT2s completely cool. And whenever I'm, doing daily driving during the day, or whenever I actually am ripping it, like going through the gears, my IAT2s get really high. Like they get up to 150, and that's not good. So usually the car starts pulling timing, you lose power, you start heat soaking, and that's a no-go. So instead of me getting like a better fan or anything like that, I wanted to go with the system called the killer chiller. Not a lot of people usually do it. It's kind of more of a Mopar thing. But I jumped the gun and I got it for my GT500. So the kit is on the car. Right now they're gonna walk me through everything that they did and how it even works. Yeah, my car looks really weird without the lip. I gotta put it back on when we get home. So don't worry, it's not gonna look like this forever. Right off the bat, oh shit. So right off the bat, it's right there. It's right here. It's all routed down there. I can't even say anything. Oh, what's up, bro?
It's the temperature of the blower.
Okay, yeah, the IT2s, right?
IT2s.
Yeah, that's
so
the man.
what was it normally cruising around?
Like 150, 160.
Okay, it was operating temperature cruising around. It was like 85, 90.
Oh, right now with the system.
With it on. But the only thing is,
that's what's up.
You're gonna have to run pretty much AC.
That's fine.
Every day.
Yeah.
All the time.
All the time.
Even when it's cold outside.
Even when it's cold outside. Well, you can just close the vents though, right?
You can.
Or put a rag in there or something.
You can actually buy the bypass. It's like a race spec. It's like a bypass thing where all the Freon, instead of it blowing air out inside the cab, all it does is just redirect the Freon through the killer chiller.
Okay.
So you can buy that on the website.
All right. Or I
So
can just,
when it's cold outside, the cold air is coming through the vents.
I should have my daily by then, so
There you go.
there's my solution to that. Do I sign it or is this mine?
No, that one's yours.
Okay, yes.
Just need you to sign this receipt. Really good.
See?
Do you still want the stock heat exchanger?
Yeah, can I grab it, please?
Yeah, I'll bring it up.
Appreciate it.
Pretty much. Go ahead and start it and open it. Make sure the AC is on.
Okay. Turn it on. Alright, AC is on. So as soon as I turn it on, and as soon as I turn on the AC, the kill chill system's working. Okay. You see, like the fan's already blowing, so like it would already be heat soaking right now, right?
Yeah.
Now let me turn on the end gauge so I can show you guys. Yeah, and the car is already warmed up. Usually right now would be at like 145, 150. Let's go to data login, turn that on. Yeah.
Just when the car sits, the water that's still inside the blower is hot.
Okay.
Once it circulates. I'm just waiting for the water to cool down. It's been sitting for about 45 minutes.
See, the IAT2s are already coming down. 127, 126. And it's what, 96 degrees outside. The car's warmed up. Right now, it would be, IAT2s would be like at 150, like dead ass. 122, 120, that's what's up, bro, that's so cool.
When I was driving, it was like 85, 90.
85 and 9, wow. So no heat soaking.
Like if you take it to the track, just leave the AC on in the staging lanes.
Or like if I bring it to the dyno, like it's gonna give a good number, right? Because it's
It's not gonna be hot. So like
118.
So pretty much like inlet air,
Yeah.
that's IAT. That's the temperature that the air is coming in through the air filter.
Okay.
So that's not going to change.
122,
it's
yes.
the IAT2.
Gotcha. That's so dope. Yeah, I can take that receipt. It sound good.
It's so good. Dip your finger in there. It's supposed to be hot.
Oh my god, that is ice. Not ice cold, but it can get ice cold. It can get cold. Wow. That's crazy.
The water can get as cold as the AC will get.
Oh my gosh. That's so cool.
Like on a nice cold night, it could be seeing 40 degrees IAT2.
Oh my, that's so crazy. Yeah, even at night, it still gets up to like 130 when I'm ripping it.
The only thing that takes away is when you're stuck in traffic or idling, the AC just doesn't blow as cold as it did before.
It's fine.
But as soon as you get driving again, it's boom, back to normal.
Cool.
So.
And it's gonna lower more the more as I drive, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, when you come to a stop, it might heat up a little bit, and then when you start driving again, then.
But see, IAT2 is 115. That's damn, bro. That's crazy. 113, 111. This is going more down.
Because when you drive, the better the compressor.
109. Damn, bro. Yes. And this is the first time you did something like this, bro? That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Guys, big shout out to Fabian right here, man. Go follow his Instagram. Go follow everything, man. Appreciate it, bro. 109, yeah. Oh, feel the water? That is cold, guys. That water is cold. Alex, come dip your finger. That is supposed to be hot. Dip your finger right in there. It's supposed to be hot.
It is cold.
That bitch cold.
Dang.
Your finger is clean, right? Dope. Cool.
Pretty much you're done there, so.
Yeah, so the stock heat exchanger was removed. Yeah. It helps the kill chiller work a little better. We're gonna down to the car, guys.
See how low we get to the highway? I drove here and around that
Big shout out to Bumbera's Performance, man. Can't thank y'all enough. Always treating me right. Always helping out. And yes, now that the car is not gonna heat soak, we're gonna throw it on the dyno. And I'm gonna show you that it's gonna make 700. Well, I hope. You ready? Let's get it. 106? Bro. 104? IAT2 is 100. Bro, what? That is crazy. Oh, no. Can y'all see that? I don't think y'all can see that. It might be too small, but IAT2 106. IAT2s are at 102 right now. Oh my gosh, 100. Damn, bro. So yeah, I do have to have the AC on at all times. Just like Fabian said, I can get that bypass valve and not feel the AC, just have it go directly to the killer chiller. And yeah, but for now, I really don't care. I like to have the AC on, and by the time it gets cold here in Houston, which it never gets, come on, bro, it's Houston, it's hot all year round. But when the temps drop a little bit and it's not so freaking hot, well, one, I'm barely going to be driving the car because I'm trying to get my daily M4. So this car is going to start being a garage queen. I'm not going to daily drive it when it's 85 cams, killer chill, etc. And when I do drive it, I'll just have all my vents closed and it's not even a big deal. So with this, the car is just going to be ready to go at all times. No timing is going to be pulled. This is going to be ready to go. IAT2's at 100. It's never been this low. My IAT2s have never been this low. We're going to have to do a pull later in another video. And I'll really test it out. I'll go out, do hella pulls, and I'll show you all my temps after those pulls. So that'll be in the next video. It's because I would always see my IAT2s rise up, bro. And sometimes the car feels pretty slow because it's pulling timing. Like it literally hits 140, 150, and the car doesn't feel as fast as it should. So with this, like, it's just gonna be ready to go, bro, at all times. And I'm excited. So let me get back home and we'll set the video back up there. I want to drive a little bit more, see if I can get below 100, because right now the IAT2s are at 100 flat. I want to see if it hits 85. 99. There we go. We broke 100. I'll see you at the crib. Quick list of all my modifications so far. I got the JLT 123 cold air intake with the Whipple 68mm twin throttle body. We got a 2.4 upper pulley. We are Lund tuned, and we have an off-road X pipe with Borla attacks. Now I do need to get the long tube headers and the X pipe to go with the headers, and then we'll officially be full bolt on. I know I said I was close to being full bolt on, but the headers is really gonna make me full bolt on. So headers at the end of the month, going into next month, as well as the wheels and tires, my weld setup. Now let's do cams. I know I wanted to wait for my birthday to do the cams, but we're gonna do it soon because I want to buy my M4 for my birthday. Because I don't want to be driving this every single day. So there we go, guys. Killer chiller is now installed in my GT500. Peep the license plate. Whoever want it, pull up. And I think that's it. Let me put my windows up. What am I doing, bro? And like I told Boyd, later on in the week, probably Thursday or Friday, I'm gonna take this car back to Bumbera's Performance, let it hit the dyno, and show you guys that it really makes 700 the way it sits right now. So again, subscribe to the On3 channel if you want to see this car in action against other cars. Especially now, she should be doing way better. So I'm gonna end this video right here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, watch all the ads, do all the good stuff. Appreciate all the support. That being said, thank you so much for watching. How is it starting to sprinkle? It's literally sprinkling. And the sun is right there. Oh, welcome to Texas, man. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next video.